So once we get to the good part where the wiring's done, the programming's done, lights work, car starts, I actually end up exiting this conversation as I head to a new race in motorsports. You guys will find out soon. So before this video goes any further, let's break down what a rush car is so we all get familiar. I know there's a ton of us drifters and I'm throwing rush at you, so here we go, right? So it's considered wheel-to-wheel racing. You sit in the center of the seat. You're on a numeric paddle shifter, right? So it feels like a mini Formula One car, up to 6 gears. The engine sits right behind my head. So they're running a Suzuki GSX S1000 engine. This makes around like 150 horsepower. The chassis weight is 1,100 pounds. And of course, it's being fueled by Sunoco's 93 octane. So just pump gas, dude. These things are gnarly. With that, we were able, with Doug at Rapscallion, to build our own rush car for the season. And we surprised Sunoco with a livery that we designed in-house with Austin, our designer. So check out our livery. We pitched to Sunoco 3 events. We wanted to do Road America, Lime Rock, and Laguna Seca with the Rapscallion team. And in this, I ended up getting a call from the Rush Auto Works factory team to fill in a seat, which expedited me to Mid-Ohio, putting me 4 races out of the 5 in the points championship. Okay, all right, quick afternoon update. Made it to Ohio. I think I'm in Columbus, Ohio. So basically, yeah, just left Florida, of course. Boys are still back at the shop, tuning the car today. So Tito, maybe it'd be cool if we put all this into, I don't even know how this is gonna roll out, guys. Our YouTube is gaining subscribers and momentum, and the amount of things we're doing is starting to work out really well for us. So... all right, shoo! Just like that, dude, from an airplane, well, I should say, from Texas to Florida, from Florida to Mid-Ohio, I made it to the track. Check this out, man. Never have I ever been here. And honestly, I didn't think I would even be here, but we are here. So it's finally time. We are joining the Rush series with the Rapscallion team. So, you know, I've been kind of training in the background. If you guys haven't watched those videos, go back and watch them. And I feel pretty good in a Rush car, man. I feel pretty quick with it. And I'm enjoying the different discipline of racing. So with that being said, here we are, dude. So the biggest thing today is I get to meet the Rush Auto Works team, and I've never met them. So literally, like, don't know this team, don't really know what to expect, but I'm about to have a blast this weekend here at Grid Life and experience something I just never experienced before. All right, with that being said, let's keep the day going, Tito. All right, so real quick update here. Obviously got to the track and I'm getting like fitted in the car right now. So I wanted to introduce Blair.
What's going on, guys?
Blair has basically rang up Doug and connected all these dots.
Pretty much.
And dude, the craziest thing, I'll let Blair explain, but like, dude, Blair made this whole car. Like, he makes the entire car and then he ended up connecting the entire series to Grid Life, and there's so many of them out here. How many drivers do we have?
33 entries.
Dude.
So, yeah, no, it's gonna be wicked on track.
Kid's 21, creates an entire car and series. Dude, I'm proud. I don't even know you, and I'm proud of you.
I appreciate it.
Come on.
I appreciate it. Yeah, look, my dad had a massive help with this, right? But you know, it was 2 visions, father and a son. We're like, all right, let's bring grassroots racing back to the level it once was and how it should be. Crazy exciting, crazy fast cars. They're super cheap to run, right?
All right, now we get to the fun part where we actually go to a race weekend. So let's break down what a rush racing weekend looks like. So just imagine Friday and Saturday are mirror images of each other. So they have the same schedules and they start like this. Drivers meeting that rolls into first practice. First practice is around 8 laps, let's say. Qualifying is also a 15-minute session, so 8 laps if you will. I go out to qualify, and I actually on Friday qualify with a 1:41 lap time, which put me in 25th. So in my first race, I would start in 25th position. Here we go, boys. I'm headed out for my first practice that will then turn into qualifying, that will then turn into a main race. Today's Friday. Heart rate's going up a bit. Expectation is just to have fun and have a little bit less expectation, so. Talk about my first race. That thing was super fun, man, because I kept finding pace throughout the race. So I was able to pass dudes and feel like a little hero, right? Like I'm on my first race, I'm passing dudes, feeling like super dramatic on my first race start. Then I would move into my second race, and wherever I finished in my first race, I would start in my second race. So I believe I went from 24th or 25th up to 17th. So in Friday's second race, I started 17th. That might have been the funnest thing I've ever done. That was insane.
You almost had John Long.
I had him, dude.
Mr. Jaws.
I had him.
That's fucking awesome, man. How was it battling with everybody?
Dude,
Addictive.
so sick.
But at the beginning, you passed about 4 cars.
Dude, I was moving.
I
I like pulled some shit out I've never done.
You gained 4 positions.
What'd I land at?
17.
17! 25 to 17, not bad, dude. And that one dude, Mom, what was his name? Shark Mouth? John Long? John Long, dude, I almost had you, man. I was going for it. I would like get up to him, lose a little pace, try to pass him. Oh man, what a fun time. Here's my boy John. Oh my gosh. John! Dude, I was in the Nanking car.
Oh, yeah. So was I blocking?
That was insanely fun, dude.
Okay, so I didn't know who was there.
I like drifted into you. I'm so sorry,
No, we're
dude.
cool. But I was thinking, fuck. I was like, I couldn't catch the guys in front of me. I couldn't, there's 2 of you back there. I was like, fuck, I can't shake these motherfuckers. And I was going to my mirror. I was like, God. dang, I can't shake him, can't shake him. And then you stuck your nose in there. I was like, oh, he wants to play now.
I saw it at 4. I think you stuck your nose in there right at 4.
Yeah, yeah.
And I was like, okay, he wants to play, but
Dude, in the like braking sections, I could like catch you, you know, like.
yeah, so I get nauseous if I brake hard. So that's my real weakness. But
Yeah.
I saw so many fast guys spin it. I'm like, okay,
Yeah.
didn't want to push it,
Yeah.
but I also didn't want to lose the position.
That was so fun, dude. So I'm a drifter, right? That's my first race
Okay, really.
ever. And I was telling like fucking YouTube, I was like, that was the funnest shit I've ever done. So yeah, let's just recap. So qualified 25th, which was not amazing. But again, I barely have any time in this car, which the seating position is different. No excuses, whatever, right? Just new track. Holy shit. Driving against like 35 dudes. This is insane. So then we obviously start the race. Dude, y'all seen that footage. Almost got hit, passed some dudes, drifted up turns. What am I doing? I'm addicted. This is so fun. And I worked my way all the way back to 17th. And yeah, I mean, basically now I just breathe for a few minutes and we're right back out at 5 o'clock. So what a day. That was ridiculously more fun than practice or qualifying. That was very, very special. And like this, dude just explained to me, what is really cool about this series is he said there's always someone to race, right? Like whether you're in the back and your pace is a 140s or you're in the front and your pace is a 134s, or like me who is kind of right in the middle of everything where I'm doing solid 138s now. So I did 141, 139, and I got a 138 in a race. Wow, I cannot wait for the next race. All right, guys, that was day one. So tomorrow we do the entire thing again. I'm in a circle of winners out here. This is the top 5 fastest dudes. Wow, this is crazy, dude. So first day, overall landed 15th. Then we wake up on Saturday, brand new start, and I do it all over again, which on Saturday I was like way more prepared. I knew I'd have 6 laps in practice. I knew I'd have 7 or 8 laps in qualifying, right into race 1, right into race 2. And I was able to better and better my times and my pace throughout the entire weekend. And this racing is dramatically different than drifting, and it was gnarly, dude. Another session of learning. Whew. Allergies are killing me, but so this boy called Dr. V, I believe, got in a pretty good crash. Never really experienced a rush racing crash, but with that, let's look at a wrecked rush car. go to the last race of the weekend. This is race 2. I'm starting 17th, which will be my highest like pole position, if you will. Woo! Here we go, let's hope I really wanted to aim for a top 10, but to be honest, the gap between 17 and even 14 is so aggressive. I don't know, man. Here we go. Last race. This has been an awesome experience with Rush, and I'm about to get suited up and jump in this thing, dude. Let's go. That was insane. Did you guys see that? I dived in on a turn, got bumped somebody. Oh, that was epic, dude. The beginning of those races were pretty hectic, and then from there, kind of panned out to where I felt like I was just in qualifying again. You know, it's like these top guys, these guys are so fast. I have to unlock some sort of etiquette or something to keep up with these dudes. Whew. Obviously, some of these guys have been karting since they've been like 10, but the point is, what a fun event. Wheel-to-wheel racing, and did we or did we not actually go wheel-to-wheel? How fucking cool was that? Oh, dude, I am like dead. Like, my body is sore, exhausted. That is an insane weekend of racing. Huge thanks to Rush Auto Works. Huge thanks to Rapscallion, Doug for calling me, and Blair for calling me and coaching me, and the team out here to keep me on track. Hi Blair, did I go backwards or did I go forward?
15, man.
No way!
Top 15.
Oh my gosh. So I started 17 there. 17 to 15? What?
Constant progression, that's what I was telling you, man.
And I cleared a 137.
Yeah.
137.4 is what I see.
Fastest time of the weekend, best result. It's a good way to end it. So.
Come on, dude. Thank you so much for having me, dude.
Of course, dude. It was a pleasure having
That
you.
was so fun. I'm addicted, and I can't wait to tell some of my drift friends about it.
I can't wait to see like how you progress out there.
Right.
Like Road America is gonna be great.
Yeah.
More seat time back with the Rapscallion guys going to Road America. We're going for a top 10 in
Yeah.
Road America.
All right, so we're gonna loop you guys back into present day. I've got the Rush car, the GR, all at the track here at Crescent under the Rapscallion roof. So we're gonna end this video with the racing. So I hope you guys enjoyed my first race, 15th. Hopefully I can finish top 10 at the next one at Road America, dude. We got the t-shirt designed by Austin. But in this, first, we have a St. Louis Formula Drift episode coming out. So I need to jet to Forsberg Racing and do a behind the scenes there. And then you guys will see today's testing video where we practice both disciplines. Shout out to YouTube, shout out to you guys. See you on the next one.
I can't communicate.